Okay, guys, how you doing today? We got a drone that we're gonna review. We're gonna also do a test flight. This is not an open box because I have opened the box already. So I'm just gonna tell you what you get when you do purchase this drone. This drone is called the DJi Mini 2. Now, this option that we have here is the combo option. So you get extra stuff with it. You get 6 extra propellers. You get the screwdriver. You get an extra button and 3 battery. Okay, this is 1, 2, and 1 inside of the drone. Also, you get the controller. Now, let's talk about this controller a little bit. So this controller is about I'd say about 6 inch in wide, 6x4, right? You also have the phone dock where you put the phone, right? You also on the bottom there's extra, well, not extra, the thumbstick where you store the thumbstick. So you could take the thumbstick out and it gets screwed in here, okay, for easy control. Okay, then you have the USB charging port. I believe that's a type C. And we have the charging pack. So I have 2 battery installed into it already. You got a USB port and another USB port type C. So if you press the power button, you get the status light of how many charge the batteries have. All right, so again, you press it. This one has 4 and this one have 1. Now this one is blinking. That's just showing that it needs to be charged. Okay, you also get the power adapter for the charging of the battery, and you also get the 2 port wires. Okay, so let's take a look at the drone itself. So this is the drone. It's about, I'll say about another 6 inch in length and about 3 inch in width. Okay, so let's unhook the belt that holds the propeller and the arm in place. So yeah, this is the drone itself. The arms, actually the wings I should say, pops out, and the bottom one folds out. Okay, like so. And this, we have the drone right here itself. Now the drone records in 4K and different it has different options, resolution options. I'm just letting you guys know that this drone could record in 4K. And let's look at the bottom of the drone itself. So again, you have the battery status light at the bottom. When you press the button, it'll show you how much battery charge left inside the drone and how many flight you can get before you can switch out the battery. So you also have 2 sensors at the bottom for how you say, ground sensors, like it position like for landing purposes. Okay, and let's take a look around the body of the drone. I believe this is either a speaker or mic. Well, I don't really know, but it looks like some kind of vent. All right, you also have the US type C adapter here. I guess you could charge the drone or connect it to your computer to transfer files and stuff. You also got a SD slot, micro SD slot for recording of the videos and stuff like that. And this right here is where you put the battery. To take the battery out, you press the button and pull. Okay, this is the size of the battery itself. So let's put that back. And that's the drone itself. Now a little bit more about the controller. you have a recording button here for pictures and to record videos. Okay. Also, you have the power button. You have the sport. I guess that's for like you want the drone to go faster or stuff like that. Then you have the normal and you have a cinema mode. So this button right here is like a toggle switch for switching from video to picture. And then you could use the button right here to take which setting you have it put in, which you have it on. This button right here is to control the camera for up and down purposes. Yeah, for up and down purposes. All right. So again, we're gonna do a little test flight to show you how this thing operate. But we're not gonna be outside right now. We're not gonna take it outside. We're just gonna do a test flight inside indoor, just to show you what this thing is about. All right. So again, stay tuned for that. Just keep it locked on this channel. Guys, so we're gonna do a test flight indoors. All right. So this is the drone already in its paired mode with the phone. So this is how the phone look. The app set up. I got my drone guy on the flight, so he's gonna walk us through it. And I'm gonna just be recording to show you guys how this thing is.
So in order to take off, you notice that you can't push up or anything. In order to take off, you have to press this takeoff button and hold, push it down and hold to take off. And once that's on, then it's take off.
So this is the drone when it's unstable. It's very stable. It's easy to fly. Okay. Let's go under. All right. And I'm gonna show you a walk around of the drone itself in the air. Okay. Now it's very stable. So this is the camera from the drone itself on the phone and the remote. All right. Let's see you landing. And that's it.